Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're gonna keep working with MLflow experiments. And the first method that we're going to explore is delete experiment. So this method can be used to delete an experiment by providing the experiment ID. So let's read the documentation. It says that the deletion is a soft delete, not a permanent deletion. Experiment names cannot be reused unless the deleted experiment is permanently deleted by a database admin. So what this documentation is trying to say is that when you use this method, what we are doing is changing the status or the lifecycle stage to deleted, right? We cannot use the name of the experiment that we just deleted because the experiment is already present in the database. If we want to delete an experiment permanently, we need to go here to the folder that we have here, MLruns in this case, and delete the experiment from this folder, right? Now, if we have a database, this will be like a database operation. So let's run some examples. Here, I'm going to import MLflow and set my tracking array, which is the MLruns folder that I showed you. I'm going to create an instance of the MLflow client and get an experiment. In this case, I have this experiment which is renamed experiment. And here I am printing some metadata about this experiment. So we can see that the name is renamed experiment, the experiment ID, and the life cycle stage is active right now. So I'm going to use the method to delete the experiment, client.delete experiment, and provide the experiment ID. Now, notice that I can keep using this method, get experiment by name, to get information about the experiment that I just deleted. Now, here I am printing the life cycle stage, and as you can see here, it says deleted. But if I go to, let's say, my MLruns location, my MLruns folder, here under trash, now I can see that there is a new folder. And if I go to meta.yaml, we can see that it has information about the renamed experiment. This is the experiment that we just deleted, which means that we cannot use this name to create a new experiment. Now let's explore another method, restore experiment. Restore a deleted experiment unless permanently deleted. So if we haven't deleted the experiment from the database or from the folder, we can restore the experiment, right? So I'm going to create an instance of the client here again, and I'm going to use this method, client.restore experiment, to restore the experiment that I just deleted. So let me run this. And now here, I'm going to retrieve the experiment and print the life cycle stage. So now we know that we can see that the life cycle stage is active. So we can use this method in case that for some reason we made a mistake and delete an experiment that we don't want to. So we can restore those experiments. Well, that was everything for this video. Thanks for watching it and see you next time.